Need to identify Paytm registered phone numbers from a large contact list? Paytm Registered provides real-time online detection and filters phone numbers associated with registered Paytm accounts when data is available. This helps businesses organize contact lists and prepare cleaner data before audience analysis or outreach planning. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and account detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign in to your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting a Paytm registered detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the Others category, locate Paytm Registered and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers in your list. Choosing the correct country helps the system process the numbers using the appropriate country code and format. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin the real-time online detection task. The system will process the uploaded phone numbers and return Paytm registration results when available. After the detection task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and results summary. Review the results and identify phone numbers registered with Paytm. Valid results refer to the total number of registered phone numbers in the detection results. Click Download to export the filtered results in CSV format. The exported file contains the available Paytm registered phone numbers identified during the detection task. The exported CSV file contains the available Paytm registered results for the uploaded phone numbers. Valid results represent the total number of registered phone numbers. These results can support contact list filtering, audience organization, and data preparation before outreach. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking Paytm registered results.